Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. In this video, we are going to cover what is the border property and where we can apply the border and how to apply the border. Okay, in the previous video, we have covered the what is a margin property. If you haven't gone through it, you can go through the CSS tutorial playlist. Okay, in this video, we will cover the what is a border property now. Okay, so what is a border property? First of all, what is a border? So what happens even if I use the border? Okay, what all things we can use? So if I use the CSS means border means it will give the border for that. Okay, any element. If you want to give any kind of border to that or uh, surrounded with some kind of lines, if you use if you want to use it, you can use the border property. So what all things it will apply? So one is style, it will apply, and also width and color. These three property it will take. Okay. So now let's see with the practical session itself to understand more about the what is a border property. So let me create a file here, that is border dot html. Okay. So now you can shift +1 enter, so it will give the structure of the HTML. And let me create a h1 here. So heading. Okay. So what I'll do here means I'll just apply the CSS property in this. So I'll use the internal CSS property itself, style tag, and I'll select the h1. Okay. So because I want to apply the property for the heading itself, so I'll take that one only. And let me use the border. Okay. So border, I'll use the border width here. So leave about the border width. You can see border width. Border width means like how much the width of that border I want to apply. So let me use the 2 pixel here to understand it. Okay. Control S and let me go live. Here there is a go live in the bottom right corner. Okay, so it is not showing as of now because as it doesn't have any kind of style for that, it will not apply. Okay, so what I'll do here, border style, I'll apply the border style. Okay, so 30 pixel. Oh, not sorry, border style is not 30 pixel, I'm sorry. So here there is some kind of style properties there, that is like you can see there is a dash, dotted, double, groove. These are all the things we can use for the border style. Dash means it will come in the dash manner. Dotted means it will come in the dot. Okay, so I'm using the dotted now. You can see that. So it will apply the water dotted here. Okay, dots. So thus it is like if I don't use any kind of color, for example, I haven't used any kind of color, right? So by default, it will take the water color as a um, black itself. Now I want to change the color means you can use the border color property. So let me use the blue violet and let's see. You can see that. So color is applied. So similarly, you can apply the different styles for the border, and if you want to use one property itself, like shorthand means you can just use the border. Okay, only border, and first you have to use the border width and style of that. For example, let me use the solid here, and let me use the red color. Okay, so what happens? Okay, so you can see that it will apply. So it got applied with the water. This border shorthand property overrided with the previous whatever the things single if you are using it. Okay, so this is the shorthand property. I hope this video is helpful for you to understand what is a border property and how can we apply for the borders. Okay, so in the next video we will see more on the CSS property. If you like this video, please hit on the like button, share it to your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, guys.